Hello guys and welcome to this video, and in this video I will be talking about how to print and publish print on demand books. So I'll be talking each and everything regarding print on demand, how it works, what are the things that you need to keep in mind, and if you're planning to publish your book, sell your book online in India. I'm talking about physical books. You can also use this for ebook as well, but primarily I'll be talking about selling physical books and how you can without keeping stock, and there are multiple companies which are providing this kind of service, including Kitablane. So welcome to this channel. My name is Amrish and I'm the founder of this company, and primarily my background is I'm an engineer by education. I am a mechanical engineer, and I started this company last year. Kitablane we started last year because I'm more into content, and we were more into creating content, and then we were looking for reliable vendors to print our own books. So I was not able to find any, and the charges were it was not very transparent. So that is the reason why we started investing into a printing business, and then we saw that okay, there is a gap, why don't we offer this service to you? So then Kitablane was born. So we started this company last year, and it has been quite a eventful year, and this business has been quite a success, and because of you. So anyway, so if you are new to this channel, please make sure that you like, share, subscribe, and if you have any question regarding print on demand, book publishing, ISBN, anything, please feel free to ask in the comment section below, and be more than happy to help you out. And also, if you have any question or queries, you can definitely visit our website on Kitablane. You will find all the details and how we help authors, publishers, teachers, everyone with publishing, printing, and selling their book online. We also help you with restoration of your book. So if you need any kind of help, if you want to calculate your print cost, you can go to our website, you can check all the details. Everything is crystal clear, and we provide print on demand service as well. And we recently started this thing that is zero investment book selling. So you do not have to keep any stock, you do not have to invest in anything. Whenever there is an order, we basically print your book, send your book to the customer, and after the money is credited to us, we pay you every single week. So explore all the plans and services that are available on Kitablane. So I'll be talking about this. So how to publish and print on demand. So primarily you need to understand what is print on demand. So print on demand means you print a book when there is a demand, or when there is an order, or when you need it. You don't have to store it. So the main objective is no stock. The main objective is no stock, because no stock as in whenever you are keeping some kind of stock, so you are you know your capital is being locked there. Your capital is being locked there, and obviously you do not want your capital to be locked. You want minimum amount of capital to be invested into any kind of business, because right now this is the day and age of asset light business. So first we need to understand what is print on demand. So as I mentioned earlier, print on demand is primarily when there is an order, then the book is printed and it is shipped to the customer. So it can be order to order basis, or you can keep some amount of stock. For example, previously what used to happen is you had to print 1,000 books or 5,000 books, and you had to use you had to go through offset book printing, so the cost would be lower. For example, if a book cost is 50 rupees and you are printing 1,000 pieces of it, so 50,000 rupees you have to pay the printer, and also you have to store it, you have to keep it properly. So storage cost is also you have to consider. You have to pay, for example, 5,000 rupees per month for the storage space. So it can be so over a period of time, maybe initially on per book you are spending less, but over a period of time these costs will add up, which will make the book very very expensive. So that was the problem. So right now what is happening, so for example, if you want 10 books or even one book or even 5 books, right? So in this situation, the cost might not be 50. The cost might not be 50. In this situation, the cost might be, for example, 80 rupees or even 100 rupees. But in this situation, what is happening is, for example, if you are selling this book at, for example, 200 rupees, you are selling this book at 200 rupees, okay? And previously you were making around 150 rupees per book. If we reduce this cost, let us not consider this. So you were making 150 rupees per book, but here, because you are not blocking this amount of money, and you do not have to spend this amount of money, so here maybe you are spending 100 rupees, but you are making near about for example 100 rupees. So your profit is reducing. Overall your profit is reducing on paper, but overall if you see the ease of doing business or ease of selling the product, it becomes much easier, and you do not have to block the capital. So that is the basic advantage of print on demand. That is the reason why this technology, I would rather call it a technology rather than a method or a technique, because this is a completely different technology compared to offset printing or large scale printing. So that is the advantage. So as I mentioned earlier, what is the advantage? So there is no inventory risk because you are printing 5 to 10 books. And for example, if you are printing thousands of books and if it is not working, if it is not selling, then a lot of money, the risk is much higher. But if you have a running market, if you have a running business, if you have a running clientele, then definitely you can take that risk and definitely you will reap that benefit. But if you are starting out, especially if you are a self-published author, you're a small publisher, then this might be a very risky thing. Making 1,000 books, first you have to take into consideration storage and the capital as well. So that needs to be taken into consideration. And also low upfront cost, scalable and faster publishing cycle. So eventually we prefer that. For example, if you have started to print, you started with 5 copies, 10 copies. Eventually when you see that okay, there is a market, then you increase the ticket size to 100 pieces, then 200 pieces, and gradually you can reach to 1,000 pieces, and then you can move to offset. So this is a gradual step. You have to go gradually, you have to grow gradually. If you just jump heads up, then you will fail. So that is the thing you have to keep in mind. So again, challenges, I've already discussed about the challenges and the quality variations and everything. And yeah, so who is this best for? Obviously self-published author. If you are an individual author, this is very good for you. School institutes, especially small coaching institutes, colleges, schools, for example, small time publishers or new publishers, traders, publishers, and even small print shops as well. And how is this industry moving in this direction? So we have already discussed that most of the big publishers also, they are also moving to print on demand. Even the big publishers, for example, Penguin, right? Penguin, Arihant, and all the big publishers, they're also moving into print on demand, and they are also outsourcing the work to print on demand book printers. So, but the best thing, and the weird part is Amazon is dominating this industry. Amazon is dominating this industry, and I'll just show you. This video is available on YouTube. You can go and watch it. And this video, Amazon is showing step-by-step process how they are able to build print on demand. They are making single book on a large scale. So that is something which is marvelous. So this is the Amazon's video. You can find it on YouTube. Amazon Books Made on Demand Virtual Tour. So this is their fulfillment center. They were operating in India, but right now they are not operating. And this is this is a huge warehouse. They are making books. So here you can see this is roll to cut sheet. They are doing it, and they are printing this book. And I think this is large scale. They are, I think, doing 200 300 quantity of that. And these are the digital printers, and technicians from these companies are here. So this is operating on Phasma. If you know about Phasma, then you would be able to understand. But if you are not aware of Phasma, so don't worry. So this is the cut sheet, and this is being printed. And after being printed, here you can see it is being sorted, and this is the cover of the book. And the book inside pages are being trimmed right now. These are polar machines. This is a digital cutter. This is, I think, a hydraulic paper cutting machine. And conveyor, everything is automated. Now the cover will be laminated. So it will be matte lamination or gloss lamination depending on the requirement of the work. And this is a roll to roll thermal lamination. This is a thermal laminator. Here you can see it is being laminated, and it is being auto cut. There is auto cut feature here. Now the cover, this is the same thing that we follow at Kitablane. And the cover is given, the inside pages are given here, and then it is transferred to perfect binder. So this is a perfect binder, and they are doing only perfect binding here. And after perfect binding is done, the 3 edges have to be cut. So they have a 3 edge trimmer, 3 knife trimmer, and this is industrial scale or completely automated. And this is the final book, and they are going to do a visual inspection, and this is how it is done. This is the same thing that we do at Kitablane as well. So this is what print on demand is. So I hope this is very clear to you. You can watch this video on YouTube as well. So who is providing this service in India? If you are based out of US, if you are based out of Canada, this service is being provided by Income Spark and Amazon. So you can choose between any one of them. But if you are in India, who is providing the service, obviously Kitablane is providing the service. This business was started to provide printing, publishing, and selling services to you. So if you are looking for print on demand, then Kitablane will provide you with this service. You can go to our website and see all the details here. So if you go to types of printing which is available at Kitablane, you will be able to see the different types of printing option that we have. And if you want to calculate the book print cost, so you can go and calculate. You can put the number of pages and everything, for example 200, so it will show you the cost here as well, so including GST and everything, other options as well. And after that, if you want to order the book, you have to click here, a Google form will open up, and then you can upload your books and you can start your order. And if you have any question or queries, you can call on the number given on the screen, or you can click here and you can contact with our team and they via WhatsApp, and they will be more than happy to help you out. And another company is Repro. Repro is a public limited company. It's a huge company which is based out of Gujarat and I think Maharashtra. So they are also providing the service. Prinster, which is based out of Delhi, they are also providing very, very good service. And if you are looking for good quality service, if you're based out of North India, you can check Prinster. We deliver all across India. We are based out of Kolkata, and Repro is based out of West India, but they are large companies, so dealing with them might be difficult. But Kitablane, you can directly talk to our customer sales service, and they will be more than happy to help you out. And Manipal Press also has a print on demand service. So Pothi, if you are aware of Pothi, so Pothi does the book printing from Manipal POD. So that is something. And again, how does it work? You register with a printing partner, then you connect with Amazon, Flipkart, or via your own store. If you have any, then when a book is sold, then you inform the printer to print and ship the book. And this is how it is done. I've shown you the whole process. So payment is handled by you or the printer. So that's it. So if you want to start with print on demand, what do you need? So primarily what you need is obviously the manuscript, which is properly formatted, and the size has to be there. We have made a lot of guideline videos. You can go to our YouTube channel. I'll check that. You need the book cover. Some companies, some printers require individual book cover, front book cover, or back book cover. So you have to provide that. You have to provide them with seller account details, so when there is an order they can handle it, or you can handle it by yourself. If you are selling through your own website, then you need payment gateway. And if you are selling on Amazon and Flipkart, so ISBN, you need to get an ISBN for your book, so it becomes official. And then obviously when you print your book, you have to market your book as well. So we will make a video on marketing as well, where I will show you how you can market, what are the channels, what are the paid channels, what are the organic channels, how you can do the paid up marketing. I will do each and every I will cover each and every aspect of that, which will definitely help you sell more of your books. And also you have to make sure that when you are working with them, you have to mention that if there is an order, who will fulfill it, and if there is a return, who will handle it. Return is a very big problem. For example, if you are selling on Amazon and if you are selling on Flipkart, so if you are providing or selling book on COD, so a lot of return will happen. So in this situation, who will handle it? Whether the return will happen to your address, or it will return to the printer. It has to be clearly mentioned. So the book is handled properly and it has to be packed properly. So I've made a lot of videos on that. So that's about it for today, and I hope you have understood how print on demand works in India. What are the essential things that needs to be taken into consideration? What are the things that you have to keep in mind when you are looking to go for print on demand book printing for your book? So that's about it. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any question or queries, please feel free to ask me. I'll be more than happy to help you out. And again, you are more welcome to visit our website Kitablane. If you have any question or queries, please contact us. I will be more than happy to help you out, and comment in the comment section below if you have any questions. Thank you for watching this video. Take care. Bye bye, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.